One of the most fun and popular aspects of camping is cooking food. While the emergence of fuel-based camping stoves such as isobutane, propane, and alcohol-based stoves have made them quite popular, some campers still prefer using a wood-burning camping stove.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best wood-burning camping stove in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Solo Stove Lite. Solo is one of the most established names in the field of wood-burning camping stoves. The Solo Stove Lite is one of the smaller versions of the standard Solo stove, which is larger and heavier than this light version and designed specifically as a portable wood-burning backpacking stove. The Solo Stove Lite model is cylindrical shaped with a base diameter of 4.25 inches and a height of 3.8 inches/5.7 inches. It weighs only 9 ounces and comes with a storage pouch for easy transportation. It has a full stainless steel construction. Like all other Solo stoves, the Solo Stove Lite is based on a patented design which features a unique double wall that creates ultra-clean gasification and a secondary combustion, capable of boiling 1 liter of water in about 8 to 10 minutes. Number 2. Ubroben Stoker Flat Pack Wood-Burning Camp Stove. The Ubroben Stoker Flat Pack Wood-Burning Camp Stove is another minimal flat pack wood-burning stove that takes up no space in your backpack. The wide-mouthed fuel door is perfect for continuously feeding things like twigs, leaves, and pine cones into the chamber to speed up boiling time. Easy assembly comes from sliding the 7 flat pieces together to create a solid frame. Once they are in place, it is very robust, being able to take the weight of heavy pans or full pots of water with ease. Ideally, it could be a bit lighter, but there is a nice balance between the durability and the weight, which gives you confidence the metal won't bend easily. The Ubroben Stoker gives a good boil time, is easy to use, and great value for money wood-burning camp stove. Number 3. Ohuhu Mini Camping Stove. If you are looking for an inexpensive, yet fully functional and durable wood-burning backpacking stove, then check out the Ohuhu Stainless Steel Wood-Burning Camp Stove. It is a lightweight, compact and well-crafted stove. This stove is made of high-quality, heat-resistant stainless steel and weighs a tad over 14 ounces. The stove provides a decent 5.3-inch burning chamber that can take twigs, branches, pine cones, and other kindlers as fuel. You can even use solid fuel tablets with the stove. The vent at the bottom allows a nice flow of air, improving the thermal efficiency. Number 4. Ohuhu Wood-Burning Camp Stoves. The Ohuhu Portable Stainless Steel Wood-Burning Camping Stove is a cheap and cheerful option for backpackers on a budget. It is compact and lightweight enough to fit in most backpacks and means you won't ever have to buy fuel again. The base is nice and wide with air vents which can be used to slot a couple of pegs in if you wish. For me, the best feature of this stove is the 3-pronged pot/pan support, which provides a very stable surface to rest both small and larger pans. Easy to clean and simple to use, this camping wood stove is a great buy for those trips into the wilderness. Number 5. BioLite Camp Stove. We at Gearhose love innovative products, and BioLite Wood-Burning Camp Stove is one such product. The BioLite wood-burning camp stove is a unique wood-burning camp stove that also features an off-grid power charger as well and is the perfect fit for backcountry camping and emergency preparedness. The BioLite camp stove weighs a little more than 2 pounds and has dimensions of 5" x 5" x 8.3". It has an inbuilt stand so that it need not touch the ground while in operation. The stove has an internal starter battery to help kickstart the fire once the burning wood is loaded and the stove is turned on. Using BioLite's patented thermoelectric technology, the BioLite camp stove converts heat to electricity that powers a fan to make the fire ultra-efficient and can boil 1 liter of water in a short duration of 4.5 minutes. That was our list of the top 5 best wood-burning camping stove in 2023 just for you.